Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V20. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. First, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap save and it's done. Let's go back and now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.